and I am here with Sephora today to show you how to use the Color Control Toning and Styling Foam from Color Wow to combat any brassiness or yellowness that we get in our hair. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of it right now, as opposed to using a purple shampoo, which is what I would have used in the past, which gets very messy. It can stain my shower, it stains my hands, even my scalp sometimes. So I'm going to jump in the shower and come back and show you how I use it. Okay, so I've just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and now I'm going to dry it till it's almost all the way dry. The more brass that you feel like you have in your hair, the more dry you want it to be when you apply it. You'll notice a more pronounced difference that way. Unlike most foams, this one does not contain resin, which is why people really typically don't like foams or mousses. They can be stiff and they can feel hard, whereas this, it has something called rosin, which comes from a rubber tree, which is very bendable. There's no alcohol in this. So here we go. I'm gonna apply it. You'll see the purple color. Here we go. And as I said, there's more precision to this, so you can really apply it directly to the areas that you have the most brass. No purple stain. Unlike with the purple shampoos, which is just so messy. All right, and there you have it. I'm all dried. Check out the difference. No more yellow. My hair is very touchable. It's soft, it's still shiny. I've got a little bit of hold though from the foam, so it's kind of like 2-in-1. You get a little bit more body to your hair, and you're also getting it to be super blonde.